Hi friends, welcome back to Matrix. If you are new to our channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and stay connected to us. In this channel, we will educate you especially about maths and other science subjects. Okay, let's get into our today's video. It's 100% sure that you all have seen magics in your life. You all know how magicians make audience confused and excited. Today I am going to teach you a magic that's relevant to maths. I hope you would like it. First, I will present it to you. After presenting, I will teach you what is behind it. Let's move on to our magic. Follow these steps along with me. Pick a number from 1 to 10 whole numbers. First step. Multiply the picked number by 5. Second step. Multiply your answer by 2. Third step. Divide your answer by picked number. Finally, subtract 9 from your answer. Then I will tell you the answer. It should be number 1. I know you all are confused now. You might think, how did he do that? Okay, I will explain it. Having explained it, you will understand how easy that is. If you want to watch more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Next, move on to the explanation. Let's take the picked number as x. Then repeat the operations again. First, multiply x by 5. Now it's 5 times x. Second step, multiply 5 times x by 2. Now it's 10 times x. Third step, then divide 10 times x by x. In this step, x get cancelled, so the effect of x is not there anymore. Then you know the answer at the moment should be 10. Now you can do anything to the answer. I told you to subtract 9 from the answer, you all got 1. But if you got this trick, you can do this magic in different ways. Thanks for watching.